new recipe today. As you all know that cooking is also an art. Recipe for today is modak. Now let's start collecting all modak ingredients. Ingredients are 1 pack of Oreo biscuit, coconut powder, some fresh cream, cashew powder, a pinch of cardamom powder, and some decorative material. Now you have to take a Oreo biscuit packet and open the biscuit packet and separate with the cream. Now you have to grind the biscuit in a mixer jar. When you are grinding the mixture, do this with the help of your parents. Now you have to take the grinded mixture in a plate and take out the powder. Now mix 5 tablespoons of cream in it. Now it will look like a dough, soft dough. If you don't get the cream, you can also use fresh cream. Now you have to crush the cream and mix coconut powder in it. Now you have to also mix cashew powder and some cardamom powder in it. Now you have to make a biscuit dough and cream separating the balls and make it in a bowl shape and fill the cream mixture in it. Now you have to fill this cream mixture in the bowl shaped biscuit dough. Fill like this. And now cover it to make in a modak shape. When your modak shape is ready, you have to make lines with the help of a spoon. Your modaks are now ready. You can also decorate these modaks like this. Your easy and fun modaks are now ready.